And now we move to exercise number 4, and here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start with this photo. We're gonna use this image, this image, this image, and we're gonna get this result. So there's a duck here inside the pool, and there's an image of a man, and it looks like it was painted on the wall. And the same thing here with the picture of the woman, it looks like it was painted on the wall. So we're gonna try to do that. Close the photo, we go to Photoshop. First thing, we open file 1, or we can open all of them at once, just like that. File 1 is the main file we're gonna work on. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put this duck right here. We're gonna select this duck and put it in the pool. To do that, we can use the quick selection tool. We can increase the size just like that and select. Now the entire duck is selected just like that. I think this is the easiest tool, the quick selection tool. There are of course other tools as we saw earlier, but this is the easiest tool for an object like this. We use the move tool. We take it from here and we drop it in file 1. Control T, we reduce the size, we make it very small, just like this. We can zoom, Control plus, and put it right here, and then click on commit. Okay, second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the image of the man, and we're gonna select all the black parts, take it from here and put it right here and make it look like it was painted on the wall. We want the same effect, and same thing we're gonna do with this picture of this woman, and we're gonna put it in this area. Okay, let's start with the man first. We can close file 2, we no longer need it. File 3. What we need to do now, we need to select everything that's black. Everything that's black, we need to select it. We can use the magic wand. Click here, press shift, select this part, this black part, this black part, this black part, this black part, this black, but it's gonna take a lot of time. It's gonna take a lot of time. It's not easy at all. It's not practical, and that's not what we're gonna do. So Control D, deselect, and we're gonna use another method. We go to select and then click on color range. What this tool does, it allows us to pick a color, any color, and select everything that's similar to that color. For example, I'm gonna pick the color black, and everything black is gonna be selected. So we click anywhere here, we click, and as you see, everything that's black is now selected. You see the white color. The white color means everything that's selected. So we just click on the color, and now we have everything selected. We just click on OK, and here's our selection. With the move tool, we take it from file 3 to file 1, drag and drop, just like that. And now this is exactly what we needed. We took everything that's black and everything that's yellow. It no longer exists. Okay, so we just need to change the size, and make it fit the wall right here. That way it will look like it was painted on the wall. Okay, we click on commit. We're gonna do another modification, which is the go to edit, transform, and then distort. We need to make some changes just like this, and this way we make it fit the wall, perfectly fit the wall, and now it looks like a painted image. This is the effect we wanted. We can reduce the opacity to 90%, let's say. I think it looks better. Control 0, and now it looks really good, and it looks like it belongs on the wall. Same thing we're gonna do with this picture of this woman. We no longer need file 3. Close. Same thing we're gonna do with this picture. Select color range. We select the color we need. In this case is the blue, and now everything blue is selected. We click on OK. Now everything is selected. We take it from here to here, drag and drop, just like that, and we have this picture of this woman. Control T, we need to change the size a little bit. We can make it a little bit smaller. And click on commit. Next thing we need to do, same thing we did here. Edit, transform, distort, and now we're gonna try to make it fit the wall and look like it belongs on the wall. So we take this point, we put it right here. This point, we put it right here. This point right here, and this point right here. And now it looks like this was painted on the wall and is very realistic. We can drop the opacity to 90%, for example, and now it looks really good. You can change the blending mode if you want. There are many blending modes you can try, but you don't have to. You can just keep it normal. So now the exercise is done. You go do the same, and don't forget to save.